In this video, I will show you how to create and post Instagram stories. Now, on your Instagram profile, you can tap this plus button down here or above here and start creating your story. You can also start creating your story through your profile photo or even through any Instagram post. And on this next screen, you can simply enter text, change background, add stickers, make drawings, and save the story to your device before posting it. You can also upload a photo from your device or capture one with the camera and post it as a story. And you can also add text, stickers, and effects and make drawings to your photo. You can then save it to your device before sharing it. In addition, you can upload a short video or capture one with the camera and post it as a story. And you just need to tap and hold on this capture button to record the video. And from there, you can go on to add text, stickers, and effects and make drawings to your video. You can also put the sound on or off, save your video to your device before sharing it. And when capturing your photo or a video, you can use the front or rear camera and turn on or off the flashlight and make use of these other features including layout and effects. And after creating a story, you can go on to choose how to share it. And as you can see, you can share to your close friends or to your Facebook account or message it to selected people. You can also add it to your story highlights. And if you open your story, you can still share it, create a reel from it, and perform these other tasks, including making the story settings and then deleting the story or waiting for the story to disappear after 24 hours. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it and if you want to grow and succeed on Instagram and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.